Meet the tmux status line, the horizontal bar pinned to the bottom of every window in a session. It never disappears, never sleeps, and quietly keeps you oriented while you work. It breaks into 3 regions. Status left anchored on the far left, an optional window list in the middle, and status right hugging the far right. Think of it as a triptych, left, center, right. The status line is always visible. Every window, every pane, every session shows it. You never have to guess where you are or how to get back. It updates dynamically using built-in variables like session name, host name, and clock. The numbers tick. The star jumps between windows, all without you lifting a finger. Out of the box, you get a black background with white text, clean, minimal, invisible until you need it. You configure it with set option commands. Status left, status right, status interval control what shows, where it shows, and how often it refreshes. It's useful for surfacing session name, host name, time, and window info at a glance, your entire workspace context in one glanceable strip. And you can style it with color attributes like hashtag, FG equals color, and hashtag, BG equals color, turning that plain black bar into a rainbow of information density. tmux status line variables are the magic tokens that bring your bottom bar to life. Every variable starts with a hash symbol and gets expanded automatically by tmux whenever the status line redraws, pulling live data straight into your terminal. The hostname pair gives you identity awareness. Hashtag H prints the full hostname including the domain, like myhost.example.com, while hashtag H strips everything after the first dot to give you just the short hostname, like myhost. Use hashtag H on remote servers when you absolutely cannot afford to forget which machine you are on. Session and window identifiers keep you oriented inside tmux. Hashtag S reveals the current session name like demo, while hashtag W shows the active window name such as bash or vim, and hashtag P displays the pane index number, starting at 0. Together they tell you exactly where you are in your tmux universe. Window flags and pane titles surface the live state of your workspace. Hashtag F renders the window flag character, like an asterisk for zoomed, a dash for last window, or a hash for marked. Hashtag T prints the pane title if one has been set, otherwise it falls back to the default command name. Daytime variables put a clock on your bar. Hashtag D prints a full timestamp like Monday, March 4th, 1423 and 1 second 2024, and hashtag D prints a compact short date. You can even pass a strftime format string to hashtag D to get exactly the layout you want, such as showing only the hour and minute. 2 more power features round out the toolkit. The shell output syntax hashtag command lets you embed the result of any shell command directly into the status line, perfect for showing battery percentage or git branch. And style attributes wrapped in hashtag brackets let you colorize and bold sections so the variables actually pop on screen. These variables are the foundation of every useful tmux status line. Combine them, style them, and let tmux expand them automatically on every redraw, and your bottom bar becomes a live dashboard instead of a forgotten decoration. tmux is a terminal multiplexer whose status line displays session information, window lists, and system time at the bottom of every pane. That status line refreshes on a timer controlled by the status interval option, and we'll change that timer, then verify it inside a detached session. By the end you'll know exactly how to tune the refresh rate, and confirm the setting took effect. We begin with clear to wipe the screen clean, and start from a known empty state. This guarantees the output of every command that follows is easy to read without noise from earlier terminal activity. Next, tmux new DS demo spawns a new session called demo in detached mode. The D flag keeps the session running in the background, so we never leave our current terminal, and the S demo flag assigns the session a name we can target with later commands. Now we apply our actual change. tmux set G status interval 5 sets the global status line refresh interval to 5 seconds. The G flag makes this a server-wide option that every session, including our new demo session, will pick up, replacing the default 2-second refresh with a slower one. To verify the change, we query the running session with tmux list windows tdemo. This prints every window in the demo session along with its index and pane count, confirming the session is alive, and that our global option will apply to its status line. Finally, tmux kill server tears down the tmux server entirely, ending every session including our demo session. This is the cleanest way to confirm our configuration step completed successfully. The server is gone, and the next time tmux starts, it will pick up whatever options you've persisted in your configuration file.